Hey, what's going on, family? Luis Romero here in Salt Lake City, Utah, your local landscaper. A lot of you guys don't know, but we actually do a lot of commercial work. The biggest branch in my company is actually commercial maintenance and lawn maintenance. We do fertilizer. We have a sprinkler irrigation technicians. In this case, I'm actually hanging out with them today, installing. So two things. They had a backflow. It's the in-ground, it goes below grade. It goes inside of a big sprinkler box on these backflows. Now, someone come in and took all of them. So if you guys look at where I'm standing, it's a huge park strip for the city. Anyways, we're here and we're installing them, six of them today. And my recommendation for you guys is to check on your prices. Everything is twice as much this year, especially when you get to the above 2 inch or 1.5 inch backflows and fittings and metal and copper. It's super expensive. Another thing to keep an eye on is when you're working with commercial properties like this or big organizations, just do the full quote. Don't try to save on something. Usually there is a way to install this. Like the box tells you, you have to install it from the stopping ways. You got to run it with metal. Bring it up and do your base with concrete sleeves. There's a code on how height you need to install it. So make sure this is all it's all online. It's not secret. So you can just look it up and then it'll give you the code for your city. Make sure. And then you want to put a box. If you don't put a box, this shit will be gone within a day or two. So put a box, charge for the locks, and then make sure that you are really looking at your costs. Uh, it's super expensive. So also, one last thing, make sure that you acknowledge them, that you don't do the testing. And if you do it, great. We don't have someone that is certified to do the backflow testing, so we should contract a company to do it. It can go for like $300, and it can go all the way up to like 1,200, $1,400 to do testing when it's a large backflow preventer. So keep that in mind when you're doing your quote, or at least acknowledge the client, like you're installing it, but someone else has got to do the testing. Good luck out there, guys. Remember, Luis with Works Landscaping. We're out here in Salt Lake City. If you guys have any questions or any suggestions, recommendations, or want to get in touch with us, let us know.